This keyboard beautifully captures a vintage typewriter aesthetic with its round electroplated keycaps and sturdy aluminum alloy panel, while the custom pink mechanical switches provide a surprisingly smooth and quiet linear typing experience. Its impressive connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a wired USB-C connection, allowing you to seamlessly switch between up to 5 different devices. A convenient multimedia knob offers intuitive control over both volume and the 19 different white backlighting effects, which can be adjusted to 5 levels of brightness. The full 104 key layout features complete anti-ghosting technology, ensuring every single keystroke is registered accurately, even during intense gaming sessions or rapid typing. Out of the box, it offers broad compatibility with both Windows and Mac operating systems, requiring no additional drivers for a simple plug-and-play setup. The thoughtful design extends to dedicated media keys for track control, perfectly complementing the keyboard's unique blend of classic style and contemporary functionality.